In a stunning turn of events, clandestine images have emerged, unveiling three forthcoming Garmin models: the Fenix 8, Fenix E, and Enduro 3. This electrifying disclosure provides an exclusive preview into the cutting-edge features and designs of these eagerly awaited smartwatches. The leaked images have sent shockwaves through the tech community, generating immense excitement and speculation. This unexpected revelation offers a tantalizing glimpse into Garmin's innovative plans, showcasing the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of wearable technology. As the images circulate, enthusiasts and industry insiders alike are eagerly analyzing every detail, from the sleek designs to the advanced features. With the official announcements imminent, the anticipation is palpable, and the smartwatch landscape is poised for a significant transformation. Fenix 8, a powerhouse of innovation. The forthcoming Fenix 8 will be offered in two sleek sizes, 47mm and 51mm, catering to diverse wrist sizes and preferences. Notably, Garmin has opted to discontinue the smaller 43mm variant, focusing on the larger models. This latest iteration boasts an array of cutting-edge features, including upgraded health tracking capabilities courtesy of the advanced Gen 5 Elevate sensor, impressive water resistance up to 100 meters, making it suitable for diving up to 40 meters depth, potential cellular connectivity enabling users to receive and make calls directly from the watch, voice assistant capabilities allowing for seamless voice command functionality. These enhancements solidify the Fenix 8's position as a pioneer in the smartwatch realm, expertly blending style, functionality, and innovation. With its expanded feature set and refined design, the Fenix 8 is poised to revolutionize the wearable technology landscape. Enduro 3, solar charging and MIP display. The Enduro 3 is set to make a lasting impact with its exceptional features, solidifying its position as a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts. This rugged smartwatch boasts a confirmed MIP, memory and pixel display ensuring vibrant visuals and optimal battery life, solar charging capabilities allowing users to harness the power of the sun and extend battery life. With its launch date anticipated around August 27th, the Enduro 3 is poised to generate substantial interest among adventurers and athletes. This device is meticulously designed to cater to the demands of outdoor activities, providing a reliable and feature-rich companion for trailblazers and explorers. The Enduro 3's unique blend of innovative technology and practical functionality makes it an exciting addition to the Garmin lineup, promising to elevate the outdoor experience. Fenix E, an affordable alternative. The Fenix E is poised to offer an enticing blend of quality and affordability, making it an attractive option for those seeking a high-end smartwatch without the hefty price tag. By utilizing the previous generation's Gen 4 heart rate sensor, Garmin has effectively created a more accessible entry point into the Fenix series. This strategic decision enables the Fenix E to strike a perfect balance between features, performance, and price. With its more affordable price tag, the Fenix E is expected to appeal to a broader audience, including fitness enthusiasts, athletes, and individuals seeking a reliable smartwatch for everyday use. While it may not boast the latest Gen 5 Elevate sensor, the Fenix E still promises to deliver exceptional performance, making it an excellent choice for those who desire a high-quality smartwatch without the premium price. Display and launch dates. While not confirmed, all three models might feature AMOLED displays. The Fenix lineup is expected to be announced at IFA 2024, starting on September 6th in Berlin, with the Enduro 3 launching earlier on August 27th. Stay tuned for further updates and official announcements from Garmin, and get ready to experience the latest innovations in smartwatch technology.